In an effort to understand some of the key fundamentals that drive the waste and recycling industry, we have developed a website, waste.net, to act as a tool to assist in conceptualizing the 4R strategy: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. In relation to the recover stage of the 4R strategy, let's look at the residues and residual waste sector. To deal with the residual wastes that remain in the waste stream, it may be critical to develop a strategy in order to handle all of the residues and residual materials remaining, after all other recycling efforts have been exhausted. The residues and residual waste sector may represent the largest segment of the total waste stream, since many of the complex materials are not easy nor economical to separate into the required recyclable commodity grades. In a typical material recovery facility, MRF, the residual materials may range from 60 to 80% of the incoming waste stream. The residual waste materials recovery efforts focus around the identification and recovery of resources from the mixed complex waste stream. This waste stream contains varying quantities of a multitude of individual materials. A beneficiation method is used for sorting or separating these materials. The beneficiation of residual materials is similar to the approach of upgrading or concentrating low-grade ores. The process follows a sequential pathway of steps designed to achieve the concentration and selective extraction of individual raw commodity feedstocks. A keynote factor in the economics of the processing of residual materials may be inherently predetermined by a diminishing return. As you separate and segregate the residual materials into individual feedstocks, the value of these products may not have a large economical value. In other words, it may cost you more to process than what you will get in return. If you are seeking more information about residues and residual wastes, feel free to reach out to a core group of industry professionals. They can provide you with current data and answer any questions you may have. Waste.net is a tool to assist you in finding a market, with the goal of matching waste material generators directly with beneficial users of those materials. By connecting you with market participants, we foster collaboration and promote environmental sustainability. Visit our website waste.net today to learn more. Let us assist you in finding a market to buy or sell your scrap waste or byproducts.